In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, you'll hear from a woman who turned her hobby into a business after not having new shoes to wear to a party. We have more from TVJ's Kian Morgan.
There's no real term to describe Alexa Allison's profession. But if you ask her, she'll tell you she falls somewhere between a designer and a cobbler. A few years ago, Alexa wanted to attend a party, but didn't have any new shoes to wear, and the only pair she had was overworn. So when her mother couldn't afford to get her a new pair, she got creative.
2 days before the party, I was just in a desperate time for desperate measures kind of mode. And I remember this blouse that I had that was too big for me. So I just thought, what if I could take the blouse and kind of wrap the shoes around to make it look different?
And when she was finished, it turned out pretty good. It's a skill she has been honing ever since, remodeling shoes and outfits when she wants something new to wear. Though starting her career in logistics, Alexa wanted something else to do aside from her 9-to-5. That required her turning her hobby into something lucrative. So she asked a few co-workers to donate their older shoes so she could experiment.
At first, I didn't think to charge or anything because I wanted to just see how the idea would float around. And when they saw it, they were like, no, I have to pay you for this.
Alexa said at first she was hesitant.
I always panicked whenever I'm doing somebody's shoes, like, what if they don't like it, or what if I can't find an idea? And then eventually, I don't know where the inspiration come from, but it come and they'll always like it. So after a while, all that doubt that I always have, I kind of put it aside because I keep remembering that at the end, I always figure out what to do.
But with the positive feedback came the zeal to start her business, Luxol. Currently, she specializes in bringing back to life old shoes by wrapping, painting, or changing the color. And it's something she wants to do long term. But for this to come to fruition, Alexa says it's important to follow through with her dreams. She's encouraging others to do the same.
Some of the time that panicky, doubty moment is just a moment. So just push through it and continue. It will blossom. If it's a great idea to you, it's more than likely a great idea to everybody else.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.